Just a podcast hapa. Yeah. Hey, sijui ni flow nini? Twende. Mic check. 1 2 mic check. Karibu mic check.
Wherever you are, I hope unaendelea poa. I hope umekuwa na mchana poa. Na pia I hope your weekend has been nice. And now we've started another week. I hope pia nayo imekuanzia poa. Kama imekuanzia vibaya, I'm very sorry. Just stay positive, everything will turn out fine. Kama imekuanzia poa, just give thanks. And let's see how the week will roll on. By the way, I'd like to thank you for the audience, for giving me the much needed attention. Links and subscriptions and likes and comments. I'd like to shout out to you. Thank you very much, and welcome you to another session of Just a Podcast. As usual, I'm your host with the Moses. They call me Timothy. I dropped that culture of doing three shows per week, and I started doing a single show every week to be uploaded on Wednesday or Friday in between there, because of late decide let's push the content that's already out there. The whole of season 1 is out there. Hata season 2 ndio hiyo tunaelekea episode 5, so it's almost halfway.
Nili realize kwamba there are many people out there who really have the urge to do a podcast or to start a radio broadcast or even a radio show, whatever you may call it, but kuna kitu inawahinda. Maybe they don't have the necessary equipments, or maybe they don't have the needed skill. Wanaweza kuwa na equipments na hawana skill, na wengine wako na skill lakini hawana equipment. Listening to the radio broadcasts ever since kuanzia kitambo. Nilikuwa nasikiza KBC, me and my brother Isaac, shout out to him. Tulikuwa tunasikiza KBC back when we were in primary school, in long time ago, like the dawn of 2000s. The 2000 ifike, tulikuwa tunasikiza a certain radio drama ilikuwa on KBC Swahili service, ilikuwa inaitwa Tembea na Majira. And it was nice, even though hatukuwa tunaona the visuals, tulikuwa tunasikiza, but ilikuwa inatuallow tuna create a certain scene, imaginations in our mind. Alafu ulikuwa unasikiza the way walikuwa wanapanga nini zao, the program ilikuwa in such an eloquent manner. I don't know what happened nowadays. Watu wapangi they don't script what they need to say in the show, so unapata midway hapo wamesha lose what was the real point of the show. Kwa nini walianzisha hiyo show? Unapata alianza na point ya kwanza akaenda kwa point ya pili vizuri, but kufika hapo katikati mvua ikaanza kunyesha, so unapata the given time imeisha, director anakuambia ufunge show and you've not even tackled other points. But KBC were the best actually. Hata kama saa hii ndio inaonekana like it's lagging behind, but I really appreciate it. Kwanza I listen to English service nowadays mara mingi. Hata niko na best yangu huko, Bernardo Kumu is a good guy who hosts underground hip hop. I listen to their broadcasts, they are nice up to now. Mizi na nibamba, yeah. So niliona let me tackle on this, although itaka cliche, watu wengi wameiongelelea, but either way maybe wameiongelelea lakini si venye mimi nitaiongelelea. You be the judge. At the end of the session utaniambia hapo kwa comments whether imekusaidia ama haijakusaidia, or whether nilidivert. Unajua pia naweza wanasema shabiki au wana makosa yenye player anafanya kwa field, lakini wewe shabiki akiingizwa kwa field sasa na player enda kwa shabiki, sasa pia yeye ataanza kumtoa makosa. So you be the judge, and if you always wanted to start a podcast or a radio show, unaweza take a few of your minutes to listen to this. Maybe itakusaidia in one way or another, ama kama itakusaidia wewe, I know it will help your friend. Ama kama itamsaidia pia, I know there's a friend who has a friend who has a friend who has another friend mwenye itasaidia. So give me a few. To it. So, scripting a radio drama. First of all, the first point you need to note is write how you speak. Write how you speak. Unataka kuongea in a certain manner. Write it down. The beginning of everything, naanzanga na a pen and a pad. Even the greatest of ideas, you just have to write it down. Do the chronological order, so you don't have to be jumping certain steps then utakuja kurudia uko mbele alafu zita sound awkward. So the first thing is write how you speak. I remember there's a writer alikuwa anatuongelesha at Goethe Institute. I'm a member of the Goethe Institute library. She was called Ayebola Ayodemi from Nigeria. Sorry, the good idea about great ideas is you forget them if you don't write them. And if you want to achieve anything, at first, you just have to write it. So, write how you speak. Now, the second point, keep it simple. Imenikumbusha my friend from Mukuru kwa Njenga, Mukuru Social Justice Center. He's a great icon, anaitwa Cocktail. Hii ndio motto yake, anasemanga keep it super simple. And I find it funny but simple. It's simple, funny but heavy. Yeah. Kwa wale wanashikanisha, wale mwenye amshikanishi, usijali utashika at the end of the session. So in everything you do, just keep it simple. Greatness is found in simplicity. Sitaenda so much. Ya tatu, set the scene. Na hapa ndio watu wengi wanaanguka sana. You find out that umeandika topic fulani, unataka kuongelelea topic fulani, but the setup aingiani ni opposite. You want to do a show, you have to set up your studio in a manner that hata huyo mtu mwenye the guest you may invite akuja kuongelelea about that issue ana feel comfortable na ana feel like hata kosa kitu ya kuongelelea atapata ideas as the time goes by. So the mood, the set ikuwe a bit friendly, ikuwe a bit convincing in that ikuwe receptive. Kuna ile kujua kukaa na watu na kuna ile pia kujua kukaa na vitu. So when you react in a positive manner, the nature reacts back. So set the scene, set the mood, keep it super simple. Usi explain point sana, go straight to the point, give a few remarks, cut it down, go to the next point. And our next point is read it through. After writing how you speak, keeping it simple, and you've set the scene, you need to, let's say it's like rehearsing. It's like rehearsing. So kuna easy sticker notes. If it's hard for you to write in a diary ama in a book if it's hard for you, you can note the main points on a sticker and then stick them around the studio. Kuna script tofauti za scene tofauti. Kuna script ya dialogue, kuna script ya monologue, na kuna script ile ya interactive. Kuna ile informal and formal. So you have to realize whether your set is formal or informal, or whether you're doing a monologue or you're doing a dialogue. A monologue is whereby you'll be the main speaker. You'll be talking all throughout, through the show, and your visitors watakuwa tu wanachangia 1 or 2 things, so you be controlling the show. A dialogue is whereby you talk, you give a point or you ask a question, the other party wana give back the feedback. Kama ni informal, ni ile you just talk anyhow, you don't need that strict. Yeah, you need a script, but haifai kwa ile strict sana. It's inafaa tu kwa kidogo, and then the other points ni ndio mtadevelop along the way. But a formal one is whereby you have to stick by the question and an answer. It's like question and answer, and you keep it short so as not to offend the other party. Create a mood, a scene that it will enable new water to be creative. Yeah. Number 5 is write for your presenters, in their own voice. Yeah, and I understand many people, many presenters want to be heard. They want to express their knowledge, their intellectualism. It's nice, it's not bad, it's nice. But then again, remember ule guest umemwinvite pia na ukampa ile topic of discussion, pia yeye alikuwa amefanya some of his or her own research na amekuja ako prepared according to her understanding ama his understanding, na pia wewe uko na your own understanding about the given topic. So let them talk in their own voice. Sijui kama imeingia poa. Alafu let me say like the final thing is, it's not actually the final thing, it's mix things up. Yeah, doing all the do's nimekwambia. Make sure you add some music to it and then stage it. As usual, music ina reduce monotony. Watu hawataboeka sana. So I think those are the basics if you need to start a radio show or a podcast. And then again, just start it. It's not a must ukuwe na the necessary equipments. Hata mimi nilianza na a phone with a simple software inajita Lexis Audio Editor. So it's where I recorded my audio and edited and added some beats and music and then uploaded it. And make sure the music you're using, it's yours. I'm blessed to be making my own beats, but make sure kama unatumia any music isikuwe ni copyright, na kama ni copyright maybe uongenoa msanii. Okay? Na kama uko na equipment and you don't know how to set up, I'll go through it mbio. It's called a setup, radio setup. Unaweza kuwa na speakers ama radio monitors. So this is how you set it up. Kama ni mics unatafuta Rode, zinajita Rode RODE, zinakuanga one direction, zina trap sound from one direction na zina trap the loudest sound, zina ignore the background noise. So and it's always good, apart from adding music, unaweka some background noise, some ambient noise to make the show ikae somehow live. Yeah, I'm not a pro, but I'm coming there. Mini sound designer. You'll soon hear for zile music nimeproduce. So the setup is easy. You have your mic, the Rode mic. then you connect it to the mic processor, then you connect it to the mixing desk ama the console, and after connecting it to the mixing desk, you connect to the mixing engine and then to your computer. Yeah, mic inaconnectiwa to the mic processor. The mic processor you connect it to the mixing desk ama equalizer ama mixing console. The mixing console una connect kwa mixing engine, na from the mixing engine you connect to your computer. Sasa from there on ndio unaweza connect to your headphones. You switch on the software, and you're good to go. Yeah, that's it for today, man. Mimi nawashukuru sana for being a nice audience. Mazee mna receive my content poa, na ningependa kama imekusaidia, saidiana pale nje, share. I'm not after financial gain. Yeah, I know many people say like that, but in the end utarealize wewe mwenyewe. But I'm after wasee wajaribu do something different apart from listening to music. Yeah, try to listen to something else. I'm not saying it's perfect, but yeah, it's perfect in my eyes. As usual, on the social media platforms, kwa YouTube is at Just a Pod, Twitter it's at Just a Podcast, Spotify it's anchor.fm/Ivusa-Timothy. Anchor.fm ni anchor.fm/Ivusa-Timothy. Until next time, mazee, hiyo ndio imekuwa the show for today. How to script a radio drama. Share, like, subscribe, repost, flag, comment. Let's get to talk. Let's keep the show rolling.